What's the right amount to eat at each meal? Portion sizes can feel like a guessing game, especially with restaurant meals often double or triple the size of what's needed. However, eating the right amount per meal is crucial for maintaining a healthy weight, avoiding overeating, and giving your body the energy it needs. So, how much should you actually be eating? Let's break it down in simple terms and make portion control easy to understand. Start with the plate method. A practical way to manage portion sizes is to visualize your plate. Divide it into 3 sections. Half your plate should be filled with vegetables or fruits. These foods are low in calories and rich in nutrients to nourish your body without overloading on energy. A quarter of your plate should be a lean protein source like chicken, fish, beans, or tofu. This helps maintain muscle and keeps you feeling full. The last quarter should be whole grains or starchy vegetables like quinoa, brown rice, or sweet potatoes for steady energy throughout the day. This method ensures you're eating a balanced meal without having to weigh or measure every bite. How big should each portion be? Let's break it down by food group for more clarity. Proteins aim for 3 to 4 ounces, which is about the size of a deck of cards or the palm of your hand. Vegetables go for at least 1 to 2 cups per meal, roughly the size of 2 fists. Since vegetables are low in calories, don't be afraid to load up on them. Carbohydrates. Keep it to about half to 1 cup or the size of a cupped hand. This ensures you get energy without overdoing it. Fats. Healthy fats like avocado or olive oil should be limited to about 1 to 2 tablespoons or the size of your thumb. Listen to your hunger and fullness. Beyond measuring portions, tuning into your body's signals is key. Start by eating slowly and paying attention to when you feel satisfied, not stuffed. On average, it takes about 20 minutes for your brain to register that you're full, so slowing down can prevent overeating. Adjust for your goals. Your portion sizes may vary based on your goals, activity level, and body type. For weight loss, focus on slightly reducing carbs and fats and increasing your vegetable intake to stay full on fewer calories. For muscle gain, you may need larger portions of protein and carbohydrates to facilitate workouts and recovery. For maintenance, stick to balanced portions as outlined above and adjust based on your hunger levels and activity. Beware of sneaky calories. It's easy to underestimate portion sizes for high-calorie foods like pasta, cheese, or sugary snacks. For example, 1 serving of pasta is just half a cup, far less than what's often served. Keeping portions in check helps you avoid extra calories that can creep into your diet. A quick guide to portion control. If measuring or weighing isn't your style, here's a quick visual guide using your hand to protein palm size. Carbs, fist size. Veggies, 2 fists. Fats, thumb size. The right portion size is about balance, not restriction. By using strategies like the plate method and paying attention to your body's signals, you can build meals that leave you feeling energized and satisfied. Remember, consistency matters more than perfection. Eat mindfully, enjoy your food, and adjust portions as your body needs. Watch the next video for more healthy tips. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to the channel.